Stop the harsh shadows and blown-out faces. Let's take control of your Nikon D3500's flash and unlock beautiful low-light photography. First things first, we need to move away from the automatic mode. Spin your mode dial all the way to the M for manual mode. This gives you complete creative control. Now, press the menu button. We're going to navigate through the camera settings to find the flash control. Use the directional pad on the back of your camera to select the shooting menu. It looks like a camera icon. Press the center OK button. Scroll down until you find the flash control option. Select it with the OK button. Inside flash control, you'll see a few options. Choose built-in flash and press OK. Now, you'll see another set of options for the built-in flash. Select flash off. This is the key step to disabling your pop-up flash. You should now see a flash off icon, often indicated by a cross-out flash symbol, in your camera's status display. You've successfully turned off the built-in flash. But what about shooting in low light without flash? Let's talk about getting those atmospheric shots. Embrace available light. Position your subject near a window with soft, natural light to avoid direct sunlight, which can be harsh. Next, we'll increase your ISO. You can do this by pressing the I button and then selecting ISO. Higher ISO values allow your camera to capture more light, but be mindful of noise. Also, consider opening up your aperture. This means using a lower f number, like f18 or f28. A wider aperture lets in more light. Finally, you might need to use a slower shutter speed. This keeps the shutter open longer to gather more light. If you're not using a tripod, try holding the camera steady or resting it on a stable surface. And there you have it. A flash-free future for your Nikon D3500, opening up a world of creative low-light possibilities. Experiment with these settings and discover your own beautiful no-flash photography.